Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Kelhe, and in this video we will start our first Go program, which is a traditional Helloworld example. It will illustrate a lot of central ideas. First you need to create a helloworld.go file. Helloworld.go. First give a package name, then import necessary packages. Here I am importing fmt, which has functions like printing. Then after that you need to have a main function, because this is where program starts. fmt.println, and I will write hello world. So let's execute the program. To execute program, you have two ways. First, go run helloworld.go, and second, go build helloworld.go. So what's the difference? The difference is that go run helloworld.go simply compiles it and runs it, and go build helloworld.go compiles it and create an executable file which we can run separately. Okay, as you can see that there is no executable file, but still our program prints hello world. So here our executable file has been created, hello world. Okay, so here you can see that it prints hello world. So let's talk about program itself. The Go programs is organized in packages. Every source files like the helloworld.go needs to have package. Package is just like libraries or modules in other programming languages. So first you need to give package main. Okay, you can give a name of different means you can give different package name as well, but the main package is special. It states that it is an executable file, not a library itself. Then you need to import different package from import. Okay, just like that fmt is also a package of Go standard package library. Okay, after that function main is a special function which from where the program itself starts, and it calls other functions from different packages like fmt.println. Here you can see that this is a package name dot, this is function name println. It prints to output. Okay, and it starts with a capital letter. Okay, every function from a package will start with a capital letter. Remember that. Okay, so let's try it out. Hello world. You don't need a semicolons in the Go programming language. Okay, go run hello world. Okay, but in case if two statements are on same line, at that time you will need semicolon, else there will be an error. Okay, unexpected fmt at the end of statement. Now I will put semicolon, and here you can see that hello world is running. You can also run like this, but you don't need it. Okay, let's try to import another package math. But the Go function in Go you should only import packages which are being used in the program itself. If the package is not being used, the program will give error at the compile time. Okay, so I am removing it. So as you can see, it's has run successfully. Okay, one more thing that the Go program here, to format your Go program, you can use Go fmt package. Go fmt -s -w helloworld.go. So what it does, it will format in a neat and clean manner. Okay, as you can see that it has been formatted. Okay, I will just do something, and after that I will run go fmt.s. As you can see, the package has been formatted neatly.